Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare the C# development environment on Mac and Windows. This brief video will summarize the capabilities you have depending on the operating system you are using. If you are planning to switch the operating system you are currently using, this video will help answer any questions you might have. Let's get started. First, let me go over everything you can do on both Windows and Mac. .NET SDK 5 and above, .NET CLI, Console App Development, ASP.NET Core, Entity Framework Core, Blazor Server, NuGet Package Management, Development with Docker, Git and GitHub integration, unit testing frameworks. However, the following are only available on Windows. .NET Framework 4x support, WinForms and WPF GUI app development. If you develop with WinForms or specifically require support for .NET Framework 4 or lower, you'll need to stick with the Windows operating system. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. You are welcome to leave a comment with your questions.